In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and apply credit notes in QuickBooks Online. A credit note, called a credit memo in QuickBooks Online, lets you reduce a customer's balance when you've overbilled, issued a return, or offered a goodwill discount. Let's create one together from start to finish so it's clear, accurate, and ready to use. First, open QuickBooks Online and use the global search bar to look for credit memo. This is the fastest way to jump right where we need to be. From the results, choose Create Credit Memo to open a new form. Start at the top by selecting the correct customer. Make sure you pick the exact customer profile tied to the original invoice so QuickBooks can track the credit on the right account. If you use multiple currencies or locations, confirm those details match the invoice you are adjusting. Next, add the customer's email address. This ensures they receive a copy of the credit for their records. Double check spelling here. An incorrect email can delay communication. Enter the service date. Use the date that reflects when the original product or service was provided, or the date you agreed to issue the credit depending on your company policy. Consistency helps with reporting. Now choose the product or service you're crediting. Selecting the right item keeps your revenue accounts and sales tax categories accurate. If the credit spans multiple items, you can add additional lines. Provide a clear description. Briefly explain why the credit is being issued. For example, returned item, price adjustment, or warranty issue. This context helps you and your customer later. Enter the quantity you're crediting. Use the actual quantity. QuickBooks treats quantities on a credit memo as a credit, so you don't need to add a minus sign. Add the rate for each item. If your credit is for a specific price reduction, update the rate accordingly. Check the tax column too, and toggle tax on or off to match the original sale and local rules. Review the amount. QuickBooks will calculate it from quantity times rate, but you can adjust the amount if you're issuing a fixed value credit. Confirm the subtotal and tax look right before continuing. When everything is set, select Save and Send. You'll see an email preview where you can add a short message. After sending, the credit memo is stored on the customer's account and will be ready to apply to outstanding or future invoices, or to reference for a refund if needed. That's it. Your credit note is created, documented, and ready to use.